Hi, I'm Reena. We've all come home from a long day at the office to an uninspired and sterile environment. I get it, you're too busy crushing your career, you don't have time to decorate your home. Or maybe you want to slowly purchase furniture from a plan rather than buying everything all in one go. Our e-design solutions are the perfect solutions for you. E-design provides you with a customized design solution for your room or for your home. It's done completely online, so you can work with me from anywhere in the world and never have to leave your sofa. You can solely implement the plan and purchase each item separately. It's a fun and convenient way to get some design assistance. Here's how our service works. You simply provide the following details: pictures and measurements of your existing space, and don't worry, I'm here to help and will send detailed instructions on how to measure the room. Pictures and measurements of any items you want incorporated in the final design, and a completed design questionnaire and inspiration pictures so that I can better understand your style and goals. We'll spend a few weeks working on your customized design plan, and then you'll receive furniture plan or layout, a mood board with product items selected for you to illustrate the design concept, 3D design renderings to help you visualize the final space, and a shopping list with all the information and links to the items in the design so that you can purchase pieces whenever you're ready. And of course, we'll be collaborating with you and answering any questions throughout the entire process. And once you're done putting the space together, we'd love to see some pictures. Thanks for watching, and for more design tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or our blog. Thank you.